All right, so now that we've mounted the handle to the power plate, this is what you'd be using to carry the brake around when you need to move it. Whenever you're ready to bend, this will be the handle that you'll be using to do the bending. So simply pull the 2 quick pins out, pull the handle off. You'll notice there's a 3rd quick pin at the top here that holds and secures the red plug in place. And you'll notice that the red plug has a finger on one side. So what you want to do is you want to mount that finger onto the hinge, and then you can insert the pipe. And once you add that fast pin back in that hole, that's what secures everything in place. So right now I'm showing you right from the edge so that you can see easily, but you can do those exact same steps right from the middle and get bending. You can slide the handle to wherever you want so that it's convenient for your position. And whenever you're ready to put it back in place, you simply take it out, make sure you put it back in place, and then you just put the fast pins back in and you're ready to transport your brake around the job site.